going to make a video to show you how to change your email preferences in Canvas. So hopefully you read the announcement already, and it told you to change to where you got notifications for announcements and assignments and quizzes. So what you want to do from here, which is just your home screen, of course it looks a little different than mine, but you go to account over here on the left, and then just put notifications. And then this is everything that you can get a notification for. Of course, yours will be a little bit different. I just have more options than you do. So you want to find the one that says announcements, and just click that green check. You can do discussions, we probably won't. And then yours will have, like I said, assignments, and it should have quizzes also. And you just want to click the green check, and you can click all the green checks, and then you'll get everything. If something is graded, you'll get an email about it. But the main thing you want is the announcements, the assignments, and the quizzes.